Look how the ants are growing. No man. Look there.
Ants have wings.
Yeah, see them are growing, then I fly away. See there? You see them ants them. See there?
Oh,
Watch it.
then I found them the song.
So you learn something now, right? You have a special time when it's gonna be rainy. This is when it's gonna be rainy. You find this thing happening, you know. Look there. Look there. You know what I mean? Ants then growing wing.
Ah!
Then grow wing.
Bite me.
Yeah, man, them hot. Man, them biting now. Yeah. People, look at that. Look at that, my families. Look at that, my peeps. Look at that. Ants growing wing. So this mean it's gonna be rainy. We're gonna have so much rain. You see it?
Yeah.
Look at
Then
it.
down back in.
Yeah.
Boom!
Come on, go. Look at it. Oh my God.
Oh my
See
God.
there? Flying. Ants, yeah. Whole heap of ants. Ants. Look at it. Look at my beautiful people. Look at this. See it? Wing alright.
That's
Wing.
right.
Wing. Look at the transition. Look at it. Now my peeps, look. You see what I'm telling you about? As you can see, when I tell you that the ants grow wing whenever it's gonna be rainy, when we're gonna have plenty rain, you find that happen, alright? So you see, the sky is black. You know what I mean? So you can know a little more from this. They're gonna be rainy here in Jamaica. It's gonna be rainy here in Jamaica. Alright? Showerful, my people. This is the looks. Alright, a blessed love, my viewers and subscribers. And remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, do click that button, alright? Remember to like up the video and watch up the video then to grow the watch hour, alright? Help me to grow the watch hour, my peeps. My beautiful people, just take care of yourself, alright? Take care of all of yourself out there. Have a blessed time, alright, my peeps? Blessed love. Blessed love. Oh my God, you see what I'm talking about now, my people? Now it's like, let me see, 24 minutes after 7 o'clock. You see me? Yeah, 24 after 7 p.m. That is. Alright? Let's see there. See, we talk about it here. Rain. So you see? See what I'm talking about now, my peeps? You understand what I mean? This is what the ants show you. This is what the ants show you. That's going to take place, you know what I mean?